guys, everything Windows here. In this video, I will answer all of the questions about user account, even if it is making one, modifying one, or removing one, starting from the easy method to the hardest method. All of the methods are available in segments, so if you want to look for each one, take a look at the segment at the description of this video or by touching or clicking the chapter name after the time code. Or if you want to know all of the method, enjoy this video. These methods are known to all versions of Windows from Windows XP all the way up to Windows 10. Let's start with Windows XP. Open the control panel, go to Use Account. Click the Create New Account. Type the name you want to apply to the new account. You will be presented with two options. Computer Administrator, where the user will be given access to all changes in Windows such as installing programs, change the desktop background, accessing files, or even add, remove, or changing account. So be sure to think first before you want to make it as an administrator. Limited will only able to make password for the user, change desktop settings, viewing files. Even if you want to install or remove programs, you will probably need administrator privileges to do this. And then click Create Account. Poof! You're done! Windows Vista and Windows 7. Open the control panel. Click the Add or Remove User Accounts under User Account and Family Safety. Depending on your account type or Windows version, mostly Vista, you will probably be asked by the UAC. Just click Continue. Click the Create New Account. Type the account name. As like Windows XP, you will be presented with two options. Standard, as you know in Windows XP, which only able to do little changes and file viewing. Administrator, where you really have the full power to get everything done, but you will need to input a password when you want to make changes that affects other user. And next, click Create Account. And you're done. Windows 8.1. Go to Start Screen, I hate it anyway. Open PC Settings. Go to Account. Click Other Account. Click Add an Account. If you are connected to the internet, you will be asked an email address, but I recommend not because you will end up making a Microsoft account. Click Sign in without Microsoft account and click Local Account. Enter the username, password if you want to, and password hint. Click Next and finish. Boom! You got it! Windows 10. Go to Settings, go to Accounts, go to Family and Other People. Click Add someone else to this PC. I don't recommend to enter the email, so click I don't have this person's sign-in information. Click Add user without a Microsoft account. Enter the username, password, and hint as you would do by usual. And yay, you have a new account. Do you want to get a lot of power with your account creation? Well, there's a program for that stays since Windows 2000s. So you can start from Windows 2000 up to Windows 10. First, press Windows key and R, then type netplwiz as netpeoplewizard. If there's any UAC request, just OK. And click Add. Type your username, password, and password in as usual. Simple as that, the normal way. This way is pretty much complicated and need more understanding about this topic, but I'll guide you through it. First, press Windows key and R, then type compmgt.msc, then space, then /s. Go to Local Users and Groups, expand it and click Users. Right-click the list of users and click New User. A dialog will open up and you will be prompted to enter username, full name, and the description of your user. But the only important part is the username. Full name will be filled automatically if you leave it blank, and description just optional. If you want the password, just type it and enter to confirm. And here's the neat part. You are able to make the account requires to change password at the next logon. This is kinda like one-time password, but the primitive side of it. You're also able to make the account password unchangeable. But the part that you have to opt in if you want the account to behave like normal is the password never expires. You're also able to get the account disabled, making the user invisible at the welcome screen. When you are done, click create, and then there it is, your user at the list. First of all, press Windows key and R, and type CMD and press enter. Okay, at this case, you have to run command prompt as an administrator. Okay, if you have done, type netuser/help, and now there's a guide by how you want to create the account. Give you full access to your account freedom. But if you want the easy way, see what you like and follow the command. To make a standard account, type netuser followed by the username you want to enter, and then the password you want if you want to. If you don't want it, just leave it blank. And /add. Use the star in the password string or the password you filled into if you want to type your password securely. To make an administrator account, type netuser and then username you want to and the password you want to, and /add. Also use the star in the password string if you want to type your password securely, and then type net local group administrators and the username you want to add to, and /add. To make an expirable account, type netuser and then username you want to, and then the password you want to enter to, and then /expires $m/d/YY, and if you want to make Y4, just YYYY, and then /add. At this case, the month you want to add into must be a numbers such as 01 for January, 07 for July, or 12 for December, and then the day as you would do normal way such as 01, 12, 13, 24, or 25, etc. And then the year you want to enter into must be 2-digit or 4-digit. If you want to be it as 2-digit, you have to enter the last 2 digits of the year, such as 12 for 2012, or 16 for 2016, or 20 as in 2020. And if you want the year to be 4-digit, you have to enter in full, such as 1999, 1998, 1975, 1985, and 2021, etc. To make a limited logon time account, type netuser and then username you want to enter to, and then the password you want to enter to if you want to, and then /times, day, strip day, time, strip time, semicolon, day, strip day, comma, time, dash time, and then /add. For times, at this case, the order is day, dash day, which the day you want to set, such as M-F for Monday to Friday. The abbreviation is M for Monday, T for Tuesday, W for Wednesday, TH for Thursday, F for Friday, SA for Saturday, and SU for Sunday. For time of day, I recommend you put it as an AM and PM, such as 7 AM-5 PM or 8 AM-9 PM. If you want to combine two of the options, you can just add the switch and options after each other, such as netuser and then username you want to enter to, and then password if you want to, /expires, :mm/dd/yy, or if you want to make it 4-digit, yyyy, /times, :day, time, /add. That's it for adding user. Changing user account in simple way offers you just little choice by only moving from standard account to an administrator, changing username, and only just that. But I'll show you anyway in case if you want to take it easy. In Windows XP, go to Control Panel, click User Accounts. Click Change an Account, click the account that you want to change, and then there are 5 options. Change my name, which explains itself, changing your name. Create a password, which if you click it, will brought the password text box, the confirmation one, and the password hint. If you have entered the password, click Create Password. If you ask to make sure to private files and folders, depend on your choice. Yes, make private, or no. If you have created a password, the option will change to 6. Create a password, change to Change my password, and new Remove password, which if you click it, it makes sure you enter the password first before you proceed to remove the password. Change my picture will bring you to the selection of many pictures of your account. So many pictures that can be used, right? You can change either with your own picture by clicking Browse for more picture, and will be there a dialog prompts to look for the picture you want to. Change my account type, able to change your account type from limited to computer administrator, not vice versa. Set up my account to use a .NET Passport is the first implementation on Microsoft account that kinda useless at this case, because it is just to make the account connected to .NET Passport, then even not functional anymore in 2021. Windows Vista and 7. Go to Control Panel, click Add or Remove User Accounts under Use Accounts and Family Safety. Click on an account you want to change, and there are some changes to the options such as the additional set up parental controls and manage another account, and the removal of set up my account to use a .NET Passport, which is the good point. Set up parental controls will bring you to a selection of the account you want to make it as a child account or making a new one. Unlike Windows XP, you can switch to standard account and vice versa in Change My Account Type. The last, Manage Other Account, will bring you back to the beginning. Windows 8.1. Go to Start Screen. Come on, Microsoft, why did you add this? Open PC Settings. Go to Account. In your account, you can change the account picture, which if you click Browse, good luck for the torture. Sign in option lets you change your way to login, such as picture, password, and PIN. Other account lets you change other users' account type. Windows 10. Go to Settings, go to Account. Same as in Windows 8.1, the only difference is the browse move to the bottom after camera, and if you click it, it will show you a normal file dialog and having less torture on yourself. Clicking Email and App Account will show you email, calendar, and contact that link to your account, such as Gmail, Yahoo Mail, and of course, Hotmail. Sign-in options is not different from Windows 8.1, but Windows 10 version adds require sign-in that tells you how you want to Windows to sign in again. Windows Hello by using fingerprint or face recognition, and an option to show your account details on sign-in screen. Access Worker School only makes you to connect your account to Worker School. Family and other people shows more confront to sign in as a Microsoft account. Other people is like add another account. Sync your settings is only available if you sign in with Microsoft account. Press Windows key and R. Type netplwiz. If there's any UAC request, just OK. There will be a list of users. To change the user setting, select the user and then click Properties. Then you only have the full name and description that can be modified. Not just that, click the Group Membership. If you want to change your account group to Standard or an Administrator, just go select one. But there's the other, and it gives you a variety of choice to add your account to one group or another. Let me explain them. Access Control System Operators lets the account makes permission and attributes such as setting and troubleshooting remotely. Administrator, self-explanatory. Backup Operators lets the account bypass the security only for backup and restore purpose. Cryptographic Operators makes the account do some cryptographic operation such as BitLocker or something similar to that. Distributed COM users allow the user to use distributed COM items, which seems to be useless since so little COM device around. Event Log Readers able to read event logs on local machine, which scammer often use to fool you to be convinced by errors and warnings. Guess is standard but heavily restricted, such as only browsing internet and reading files. Hyper-V Administrators is used to handle all Hyper-V features, only Windows 8 and above. ISS_IUSRS used by Internet Information Service. Network Configuration Operators gives access further on modifying networking. Performance Log users and Performance Monitor users gives the account ability to make logging schedule, event traces, counter data both locally and remotely. Power users only for backward compatibility for all the hardware and software, only have limited administrator power. Remote desktop users and remote management users accordingly able to use machine remotely and able to get access to WMI resources. Replicator, honestly I don't know what it is. Telnet clients is of course Telnet. Users is standard user. Some of the groups that exist on the machine are varied. You can reset the password if you have one by only typing the new password and the confirm new password. Press Windows key and R, type compmgmt.msc/s. Go to the local users and groups, expanded, and click users. Select on the users you want to change, right click on it. You are able to set a new password for it by clicking set password if you want to. If you are prompted to proceed, just proceed anyway. Type a new password and you're done. You can rename the user right away and deleting it. If you click Properties, there are 3 tabs: General, Member of, and Profile. In General, you get full name, description, and the checkbox that you already saw in the first time you make an account in here. You can change them by yourself, but be careful with them and be sure you know what you do. Member of lets you add or remove a user from the group, but in here you are more freely to customize your account to add in any group you want, but you have to work at yourself to join the group. Profile is very vulnerable option and it lets you to change user profile in home folder, which in this case C:/username/username in Windows Vista and later, and C:/documents and settings in Windows XP and earlier. Be careful if you want to change it. If you click groups that are under users, you are getting a list of groups that exist in this computer. Fun fact, this group is also listed in the netplwiz. So if you want to make one, you will get it displayed also in the netplwiz. If you want to add a user to the group, double click the group you want to join to and then click add. Enter the username and click OK. Then you click apply and done. Press Windows key and R, type CMD and press enter. Be sure to run it as an administrator. Type netuser/help. You are freely to make modification to the account. If you want the easy way, you can look at the adding a user account Exper method. Just remove the /add from every command you want to. This is the easiest thing you have ever done in case of user account. Windows XP. Go to Control Panel, click User Accounts, click Change an Account. Click an account that you want to remove, and then click Delete the account. Depend on your choice whether you want to keep the files or not. If you want, click Keep Files. If you don't, click Delete Files. And finally, click Delete Account. Windows Vista and Windows 7. Open the Control Panel. Click the Add or Remove User Accounts under User Accounts and Family Safety. Depend on your account type or Windows version, mostly Vista, you will probably ask by the USC. Just click Continue. Click the account you want to remove. Click Delete Account. Depend on your choice whether you want to keep the files or not. If you want, click Keep Files. If you don't, click Delete Files. And then finally click Delete Account. And you done. Windows 8.1. Go to Start Screen, freak off! Open PC Settings. Go to Accounts, click Other Accounts. Click the account you want to remove, click Remove, and click Delete Account and Data, and you done it. Windows 10. Go to Settings, go to Accounts, go to Family and Other People. Click the account you want to remove, click Remove, and then click Delete Account and Data if you're sure, and you are finished. Press Windows key and R. Type netplwiz. If there's any UAC request, just OK. Select the account you want to remove, click Yes if you're sure, and as simple as that. Press Windows key and R, type compmgmt.msc/s. Go to Local Users and Groups, expand it and click Users. Click the users you want to remove, right click and click Delete. Click Yes to make you sure of a lot. Press Windows key and R, type cmd and press Enter. Make sure you run it as an administrator. Type net user and then username you want to /delete and press Enter. The last step is done. And this concludes all how-to for user account. If you want to look further for the Exper method, you can check the link in the description. I hope you enjoy and get help from this. See you next time.